What's up, YouTube friends? Now recently I was talking to my friend Rama about our gardens, and she reminded me about the great idea of making your own seed tape. So today I decided to give it a try and bring you along on the journey. Every year I always overseed my carrots. Now I do go back and thin them out, but usually I have a whole bunch of greens and very little carrots. So I think this will be a perfect idea to not only save me money, but save me seeds. So the things that you're going to need to make this homemade seed tape are some toilet paper. Now this is 2-ply, but you only need single ply. You're also going to need some flour, water, a paintbrush, some scissors. Today I'll be using my yardstick here, and of course your seeds. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and cut off a piece of toilet paper here. And I'm just going to work in 3-foot chunks here, just to make it a little easier. So now I'm just going to unroll my toilet paper at about 3 feet. And since this is double ply, I'm going to go ahead and split it in half. Just like that. So I'm just going to take one piece of the toilet paper here and I'm going to fold it back up on itself. And then cut it in half. Now as you can see, this is very cost effective. Just out of a 3-foot piece of toilet paper, I can make 4 seed tapes here. Next, you want to grab a cup or something like that to mix up our paste. And you do not need very much. A little bit goes a long way. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of flour into my ramekin here, followed by 2 tablespoons of water. And stir it up. That looks a little thick to me, so I'm going to add a little bit more water, maybe another tablespoon, and stir it up. Alright guys, I don't know if you can tell the consistency here, but I think that's just perfect. Alright guys, so now you just want to consult the back of your seed packet here, and I'll be using these Scarlet Nantes carrots. And it says to plant these every 2 inches. So I'm going to take my paste mixture here, and I'm going to put a little dot on one edge of the toilet paper here. So on my case, the bottom edge, every 2 inches. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put a little dot of paste every 2 inches, and you don't need very much. Now I have also seen this done with a non-toxic glue stick, but I just think that the flour and water is a little easier. So now I'm just going to take some seeds, and I'm going to put about 2 to 3 seeds on each of those little wet dots. Now it doesn't have to be exact. Some might have 1 or 2, and some might have 3 or 4. Now after you have your seeds on here, now you want to take the back edge of your toilet paper and fold it over in half, pressing down on your little wet spots. Now as you can see, now our seeds are totally encapsulated in our toilet paper here, and after I set this off to dry, those seeds aren't going anywhere. The next thing I like to do is go ahead with a Sharpie or a pen and write down what your seeds are, and then set it off to dry. Alright guys, so I'll just show you how to do it one more time, but I'll bring you in a little closer so you can see what I'm actually doing. So first I'm just going to go ahead and put little dots of paste every 2 inches. and you want to stay to one side of your toilet paper. The next, all I'm going to do is go ahead and sprinkle about 2 to 3 seeds per little wet dot. Then you want to take the back side of your dry toilet paper and fold it over your seeds and press down. So now you just want to label what your seeds are and go ahead and set it off to the side to dry. Alright guys, so now that it's nice and dry, I went ahead and I rolled them up and stuck them in a plastic bag. Now here I have 2 different kinds of carrots, and I have 4 3-foot strips of each. So that's going to give me a 24-foot row of carrots. I think that'll be plenty of carrots for me and Mother. Not to mention I have plenty of seeds left over for next year. Now I'll definitely take you into the garden this spring and show you how I plant these. But all you're going to want to do is dig a little trench, lay out your seed tape, and cover it lightly with dirt. The toilet paper will keep the seeds nice and moist until they're ready to germinate, and then it will just go ahead and break down into your soil. Not only is this going to make it a lot easier to plant the carrots since they're already spaced out, but it's also going to save me a lot of time. If you like this video and want to see more of my videos, go down below and hit the big red subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. If you'd like to be notified as to when I post one of my videos, hit the bell button. Head on over to Scrappy's Patch on Facebook, hit that friend button if you'd like to share ideas and pictures of our projects. Feel free to share this video across your social medias, and as always, thanks for watching, happy gardening, and I'll see you next time.